This is my dad's yard. Yes, I got a hard hat on. I ain't trying to die. Look at this guy. Oh my.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. America is able to produce so much content for me that I get to make these episodes every single week, which I'm very thankful for. This episode's going to be pretty wild this week. We've got a lot of clips to fit in this 10-minute video, so let's get on with it. This guy must have been texting or something. I mean, how can you not see a large garbage truck stopping in front of you? It was a pretty hard impact, but the truck barely moves at all. And this bin man here looks pretty pissed off, and rightfully so. If that car was a few seconds later, he could have got his legs crushed. Hey Dave, look what this dickhead's just done. He goes to walk off, and then realises he should probably check on the driver. Or maybe he's just annoyed that his shift's going to run overtime now. As most people know, indicating gives right of way. Not only is he in the wrong lane, he moves over without any warning. We can see the light changing to red from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's almost a 4-second red light he's just run there. So this guy's filming an interview and unintentionally catches a red light runner in the background. It's all pretty chaotic.
Everybody, what? Everybody, what?
You probably missed that. I did the first time I watched this. But just up ahead, a 17-year-old girl, so a relatively new driver, turns across the traffic, and as a result she gets hit. The camera's now pretty annoyed he has to stop to give evidence too. So this idiot in this car has probably been doing this for a little while. So the guy holding the camera decides to start recording.
Idiot. Run the curb over again.
We just can't fathom how to reverse back around that corner. How are these people even allowed on the road?
Oh, got him!
They should really be handing back their license for driving like that.
Holy f. Your bumper, dude.
I spoke to the owner who shared his story for this clip. At first he thought it was an illusion of the car being on his side of the road. He quickly realises that's not the case and slams on his brakes. Managing to slow his car down to about 5 or 10 miles per hour, and instinctively tries to steer around him, but the offending car manoeuvres the same way, and it results in a head-on collision. I'll put some images up of the aftermath. The camera car suffered a fractured collarbone and a broken hand, and the idiot driver on the wrong side of the road ended up with a fractured skull. Thankfully both recovered. It's shocking how your life can change in a split second.
What is this dude doing, bro?
My guess is that this guy got into a little accident,
What is he?
but then
He
got
doesn't
a
have
come over
tire.
text.
What is he doing? What the fuck?
My aim with every single video that I release is to make it better than the last. So if you have been following along, or you're new here, be sure to like, drop me a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And we can watch this channel grow together.
Oh my god!
This guy just saw green. not realising it's right turn only.
This hit-and-run vehicle almost certainly has some damage done to its front side, possibly a smashed windshield, a dented bumper, or a
It's right there.
headlight in the front. Chances are, because it
That's
happened
the
so
car.
early in the morning, the person responsible lives very close to this area. So if you're familiar with the South Los Angeles community of 51st Street,
I mean, it probably isn't the car, but it's pretty funny to watch.
maybe it's a neighbor of yours, maybe a friend, maybe you just see it at a convenience store.
I just saw it.
Contact you later.
Hey, Bobby! Hey!
This clip is from the recent protests. I'm afraid I have no more context to it, other than it's some target, and it's probably someone intending to lose. But that's a guess.
Store, please get out of the store. There's somebody that just ran through the front gate. Please, over here. Come on, baby. Come on. You lost your phone, baby. Come on.
The theme for this episode seems to be red light runners. I looked it up, and traffic lights have been in use since 1868, the first one being in London. So how the f have people not figured out how to abide by them by now? I don't know what caused it, but it's good reactions from the camera car. And to the pickup driver, hit your brakes if you're rolling next time. Something must have happened before this guy started recording. Maybe the guy in front is drunk, or just driving dangerously. This is as far as he's going to be going today. There's not even an attempt to brake until the very, very last second.
Oh, what the?
Really, there's no excuse for this one. Traffic's slowing down, but it wasn't even stopped. The white SUV still manages to hit the red pickup with some force, and causes a 4-vehicle accident as a result. And then looks to speed off at the end. Another red light runner now, and this one comes in fast.
I guess I need to know either way, because holy.
Thankfully starts slowing down, but it's too late and sideswipes the car. I mean, it could have been a whole lot worse. If you're given the choice between filming somebody so you can get some points from strangers on the internet or helping somebody, don't follow what these guys do and just film it.
Does that mean you go somewhere else in a different line?
Why are they not warning him? They know what's about to happen.
Just gonna keep hitting him.
I hope they're made to sit there for the next few hours while it gets repaired. Rule number 1 of slip roads is you don't stop. Rule number 2 is you definitely don't reverse back down it on a blind turn. What a donut. This lady in the black BMW wipes out a couple of cars, just missing the 4x4. She then leaves her car on the corner and walks over casually.
And I got that shit on video too. Oh my god. Oh, it's my friend's. Yeah. Holy shit.
My car had brake fade. My car had brake fade.
Brain fade, more like. Come on, ladies, you have any sense of what you just did?
And I got that shit on video too. Well, I'm still filming.
In this final clip, we get to watch an out-of-control SUV slam into the side of a Smoothie King in Ohio. I did some research into this one. Thankfully, only one employee suffered minor injuries, and the driver was cited for reckless operation. That is the last clip. And that is the last clip. I want to thank you for watching, and if you've watched the rest of my videos, I really do appreciate it. If you do have feedback or ideas on what you want from this channel, don't be afraid to drop me a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.